Hey guys, so today I am unboxing the Maniology box of cheer. So if you guys saw my box of shadows unboxing, this is pretty much the same thing. This is just Christmas themed. So it's a seasonal themed nail art, nail care related goodie box. So this is Christmas themed, but because this is kind of set up as an advent calendar, it is already available. I do sound a little sick. I am a little sick. I also have Halloween nails on, but it's not even Halloween yet, so bear with me. These are available on the Maniology website right now. So
I just want to pop in here and mention that since I filmed this, I was informed that there were some supply delays with the box. So it is still available right now, but it is on a pre-order, so boxes will not ship until after October 27th.
I will link them down below. I also have an affiliate code with Maniology, which I will put up on the screen and have down in the description box. This is your formal spoiler alert. If you don't want to see everything that's in here, if you do plan on getting it and want to unbox it day to day on your own, then I would suggest not watching the rest of this video because we're going to crack everything open. So this is available right now, but on the 10th of November, the individual products from the box that are not exclusive to the box will be available.
Again, another date change. I wasn't really sure where to cut in for this one, but the individual products from the box are not going to be available on November 10th, like I literally just said. They're going to be available on December 1st. Again, everything got pushed back due to supply delays.
And as we go through things, I'll tell you what's exclusive and what's not. So let's just crack it open. Full disclosure, I did already open this. I was really curious about the stamping plates and I couldn't contain myself, so I did open it up and slide the stamping plates out. But that's all that I've looked at. So first you have your countdown book. This just has little lines, I don't know, fun little lines to go along with all the things in the box. And then this also has nail art ideas for the products that are in the box. And I forgot to mention this is 12 days, so like a 12 days of Christmas thing. We have a little holiday gnome themed sticker. And you can see I already cracked this open. Here are the items in the box. Let's find day one. The stamping plates are all together because again I opened it. So day one is a stamping plate. This is the M338 stamping plate. This is called Snow Day and this is just a bunch of different snowflake images. This one will be available individually. This is the Holiday Edition Ice Cube stamper. So this is a stamper. The Halloween box had a themed stamper in it too, and it had just like little Halloween themed print on it. So I'm guessing this is the same thing, but obviously not Halloween. So here is the scraper, a little plastic scraper, red with white little Christmassy designs on it. And then here is the stamper. This is also red. I actually really like this. Red, but obviously not red when you're stamping. The cap is red and has those same designs as the scraper, but this is, the actual stamper is clear, so it doesn't affect reverse stamping or anything like that. Okay, day three. Here is day three. This is, it's something jasmine, I'm not going to try to pronounce that. Jasmine Hawaiian Botanical Lotion. This is exclusive to the box, so this is not something that will be available individually. I'm just going to put this on. It smells okay. I'm going to be honest with you. It kind of smells like public bathroom soap. Not bad, but just not super special. Here is day four. I believe this is a stamping polish. Yes, this is this really shimmery, I mean, maybe red, but it looks very orange to me. This is called Candy Cane, and yeah, this looks like very orange with gold shimmer. I don't have any swatch wheels down here right now, but I will insert a clip of this swatched. Even though it is a stamping polish, I'll still show you what it looks like on a full swatch. Day five. This is another stamping plate. This is the M339. This is called Gnome Alone, and this is a bunch of little gnome images. This has some layered stamping images on it, so you can create multi-dimensional stamps without having to do reverse stamping. You start at the most basic and you add the details one stamp at a time. Day six. This is Island Passion Tropical Lip Balm. This is the same brand that did the lotion. So it's in a tin. This smells pretty good. It's very light. It's not like super scented at all, which is good because I don't like when lip balms are so scented that I can taste them. This is also an exclusive item, so this is not going to be available individually, but it's lip balm, so it's not that big of a deal. Day 7. So this is a pair of nail clippers. Pretty basic nail clippers. Day 8. So this is another stamping polish. This is called Grinchmas, and this is a green with a gold shimmer. It's a lighter green. This is not so much a Christmas green, but I do think it's a little more on the Christmas holiday side than this one was. And again, I will have a swatch of this inserted here once I run upstairs and get some swatch wheels. Day 9. So this says that it is a nail art powder palette. I'm very curious about. This is exclusive to the box. So this is not something that will be available individually. We've got 3 applicators. Oh my gosh, let it go. So I really hope this is cool because so far I think that the Halloween box was much better box than this one. So this, I feel like this could potentially save the box, in my opinion. Okay. All right, so we've got a bunch of metallic powders in here. Now I might have to play around with these. I might have to try to do a swatch of these real quick because I'm not sure if these are going to come out very chrome once they're on the nail, if that's like the intended use here. So I might have to swatch these, and I will insert a clip of the swatch because I'm really curious what these actually look like. If they're like the chrome powders that you get in a pot, just pressed, and they turn out like super chrome when you put them on the nail, that'd be super cool. And that probably would save the box for me. Okay, so here are some quick swatches that I did of these metallic powders. I do want to say that since Maniology is like a stamping company, I feel like I should mention that you can also stamp with powders. It's not something that I've done, but I know that's something that you can do. I put them over a black gel polish to see how they worked, if they were comparable to like a loose powder. And it was kind of hit or miss. So this silver one it took a lot of rubbing in and it was kind of hard. The gold one went on like a dream. These 2 silvery colors also were a little bit stiff and hard to rub in. They also look very similar over black. Maybe over a different color they would look a little different. This copper one also went on like a dream, which like these 2 are my favorite anyway. The red one went on okay. It wasn't, or pink I guess, it wasn't perfect, but it wasn't as bad as some of these silvery colors. So overall I think this is like I'm gonna be generous and give it like a 6 out of 10 because I do really like this gold and I really like this copper and I really like this reddish pink color, and those were the ones that performed pretty well anyway. I shouldn't just say pretty well. These 2 are really good. This one was okay. Didn't love these ones. It did come out in the end, but it was a little too difficult for me to get there. But also, like I said, you can stamp with these. I don't know how they would perform with stamping. That's something that I've never done before, so I don't think trying it for the first time right now would be a very good judge of how well those perform when they're used in stamping. Day 10. This is a cuticle oil. This is peppermint cuticle oil. This is also exclusive to the box. It says it's refreshing. Yep, that is peppermint scented cuticle oil. So I think this, under the days sticker here, is where it actually says the ingredients. I'm curious like what the majority is in here. These stupid nails. I see the word jojoba like sticking out under the sticker. Yeah, that sticker's not gonna come off without taking the words with it. I see jojoba and vitamin E under the sticker. So that is day 10. Day 11. So this is a regular polish, not a stamping polish. It says it is called Fruitcake. Oh, that is a Crelly. Okay, so this is a yellowy green Crelly base with looks like red and green metallic glitter and a little white matte glitters in it. Again, I will have a swatch of this. This is also exclusive to the box. And lastly, day 12. So this is the M340 Toys and Joys plate. This has some Christmassy patterns. I see like snow globe, you know, Nutcracker, Santa, just a bunch of Christmassy images on it. This one actually looks like the same pattern that's on that stamper and scraper. So that is the Maniology box of cheer. I'm not gonna lie, overall I think that I liked the Halloween themed box of shadows a lot better than this one. I'm a little smidgen disappointed in this. I don't know, maybe it's just I'm more into Halloween right now, maybe more like Halloween minded, but I just feel like that one was a little bit better. But this is what's in the Maniology box of cheer for 2022. Again, I will link Maniology down below where you guys can check these out. These are available right now.
And again, I just want to remind you guys that they are available right now, but they're on a pre-order. They will not ship until after October 27th, and the individual products will be available on December 1st.
I will put my coupon code / affiliate code with Maniology up on the screen and down in the description box. Hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I will talk to you later.